Welcome back students. In today's class we are going to learn English subject Mary's Pet Lamb's explanation. Last class we learned Mary's rhyme and we sing rhyme together. In today's class we are going to learn the explanation of this rhyme Mary's Pet Lamb. So open page number 51. So last class we learned about the Mary's had pet lamb and its fleece was white as snow and the lamb's fleece was as like a snow, as white as a snow. And wherever Mary will go, that lamb was always behind of Mary. One day he followed her to school and of course it's a rule that students must not bring any kind of pet animal in the school. So, Mary didn't bring lamb in the school, but lamb himself followed her to school. And teacher said it was against the rule of the school. So, but children, all the children in the school, they enjoyed a lot in that day. They laugh and play with the lamb. But when the teacher turned him out, teacher tried a lot to take that lamb out from the school. But lamb is lingering around Mary and he waited patiently about when Mary will appear. He was waiting for Mary. When will Mary come out from the school? And he ran, when Mary came from school, he ran to her and laid his head upon her arm. He said to himself, "Yes, now I am not afraid to anyone because Mary is taking a lot of care of me. So I will always with the bee Mary and Mary will always take care of me." So most of the children, they are very much eagerly waiting for the Mary's reactions and the lamb's reaction. They were observing both of them. And they have a question in the mind, why lamb is loved Mary a lot? So after that teacher has given them reply that Mary loves the lamb a lot, so that's why lamb love Mary too. So in this way we can learn now. This is a beautiful rhyme, Mary's pet lamb. And what we learned from this story, in this rhyme, we should love pet animal. We should love young ones. We should not hurt them. We should play with them. We should take care of them. We should give them food. We should give them water to drink. So, if we give them love, definitely they will give back to us love only. So, I hope you understand this story, understand this beautiful rhyme, Mary's Pet Lamb. So let's solve the questions answer from this rhyme. And the first question is read and find. There are 9 pairs of rhyming words in the poem. Write those words on the given lines. So I will provide you all these rhymes, questions answer. First, snow, go. They play. Lead, afraid. No, so. Cry, reply. Arm, harm. Near, appear. About, out. Rule, school. Complete the sentences below. Mary had a little lamb. Second, the lamb followed Mary to school one day. The children laughed to see a lamb at school. The teacher turned the lamb out. The lamb laid his head upon her arm. Next question, pick the correct options to answer each question. What shows that the lamb loved Mary? It followed Mary wherever she went. It shows that lamb loved Mary. What was against the rule? bringing a lamb to school, it is against the rule. The teacher turned out the lamb. What did the lamb do then? It waited patiently for Mary. Complete these words for animals in this list. And the words are lamb, sheep, goat, lion, dog, horse, donkey, pig. So you have to write down. Take your pencil and write down. Complete the words for animals in this list. Okay. Then complete the words for birds in this list. Crow, parrot, eagle, owl, cock, sparrow, pigeon and hen. These are the words for the birds. In this way our Mary's pet lamb rhyme is completed here. I hope you understood this rhyme. So this is your homework. Read and enjoy this rhyme and write page number 52-53 in the textbook and in the notebook.